Welcome everyone! First up, we have a daring tractor rescue of an empty car that fell in this ditch. Now they both need rescue. These two are supposed to go at the same speed.
Squeeze him! Get him! Get him! No, it could bite, but where's the garbage can? I'll distract him. Oh, you shit! He's tired. Stand off. Just stand up. Get him in there.
This pig was wandering through a neighborhood in Connecticut and had the cops chasing after it for 45 minutes. Yes, we see the irony here.
Get him, Mike. Yeah.
Now we need our sticks so I can put them in.
Now what do you do?
He pulled a sheep out of a ditch it was stuck in. Time for round two? The silo here developed a crack in it, and this worker was thinking how his day could get any worse than this. There's the answer.
Oh, Viv!
Excellent.
Get off the car. Get off. I don't want her to scratch it.
It's okay.
Viv. Go. Go.
We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine.
Oh, no, it's not mine. Mine is right there.
Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you.
This goat really wants to spend a night in jail.
That's my hood, dude.
Viv.
Now let's take a look at a tractor that can literally beat all odds.
Ja, zo ja. Zo, even voor de film. Even voor de film.
Ever wonder why they're named Ram? Because they ram into everything. You know you have money when you're using a tank as farming equipment.
I tell you what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
No, ain't what's wrong with it. It needs a spark plug.
No, it ain't the spark plug. I tell you, it ain't the spark plug. Yeah, it's the spark plug. You're right.
Casey, come get this dog. Please. I gotta get this bell on.
Never a dull day on the farm.
You all hanging out together. Do you want to come on outside, Archie? You got your favourite chook on you, have you? That is adorable.
I don't know where this party is, but I want to be invited.
Girls.
This. My neighbor's bulldog knocked up one of my cows. I honestly didn't even know it could happen.
She speaks fluent, woof.
Boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one day without up? I said, absolutely, boss man. I said, let's
need a new rig and a new sledgehammer.
I'm not sure that today's up's already been penciled in.
May, Barbara, what have you done? Hang on. You're next.
Looks like a comfy spot to me. It's like silos are always just waiting to collapse.
There it goes.
Connection failed. Bluetooth.
Expressive sheep. Who said rounding up sheep was hard? Chickens clearly like to get yeeted. That was close.
Le dije al de lavadero, no me pongas silicón en las ruedas, se me pega toda la tierra. Mira ahora, la puta que lo parió también.
These two took off-roading a little too far.
Mira.
That's not supposed to happen. Cows are a lot smarter than we like to admit. This one saw the window of opportunity and took it. This driver had a lot of faith in the hook holding the cargo. He was wrong. The pigs are usually calm, but today they got the zoomies. Every farm has that one animal that just has to make a statement.
Look at her butt.
Mom. Oh, maybe she's ready to have sex.
Some roosters can smell fear.
Pa brate, pa to je firma, nije to sad kiosk. Ovo je prva firma. Ako firma dobro radi, normalno da sve ide kako treba.
The driver was a little too ambitious with the stack in here.
A trebalo i zaraditi pare.
Pa brate, treba, pa imam ja javno.
Cows and bulls have similar instincts, and this farmer found that out the hard way. This farmer didn't have a tractor, so he improvised. These silos are holding several tons of grain. Well, they were. I guess you don't need a tractor when you've got a Toyota. Silos are great for storage, but there always seems to be a chance they collapse like this. This is Samson the cow, and he hates the tractor. They thought getting the tree out of the creek would be easy. It was not. Silage rolling away is not new, but no one expected it to go in the river. She's an equestrian. This cow loves one thing: hay.
Está enojadita, Feli, pobrecita. Mira cómo está. Vení, vaquita.
That could have ended a lot worse.
Sigue enojada. Feli, ¿vos cómo estás?
There goes all the stored animal feed for this year. Here's what happens when farmers aren't experts at aiming. They thought they lost the wagon, but it wasn't done yet. Sir, you do not ride cows. Hold on now, you're looking to get toasted, not roasted. Hiring professionals can be cheaper sometimes. This chopper's pipe broke and the crop was left flying everywhere. Lightning scares all creatures the same way. The driver turned the tractor a little too fast. Sometimes you get out of one problem, right into another.
Look at Billy Goat on his little tractor. Just living.
I'd hire him. The tractor blew a tire, but the driver just wanted to get home. Identity crisis is a common problem on farms. You know what they say, no point crying over spilled milk. Farm feud or accident? You decide. Loading a tractor is not easy. One wrong move and this happens. Thankfully, the driver's okay. Hay is highly flammable. One spark and the whole thing's on fire. Almost like the cow planned it. This is a rig made to keep cows from getting out, but this one clearly outsmarted it. Every time it rains, this cow gets in this particular spot to taste that goodness. They're basically best friends now. This farmer's tractor has completely lost its brakes. He used the rig behind him to anchor to stop. This driver got stuck in a ditch, miles away from any help in sight.
Mate.
Nothing a little teamwork can't fix. With heavy cargo, turning carefully is extremely important. This driver knew this was a risk, but he took it anyway.
Buddy, I was just trying to sit on the porch. I can't do that without giving you pets, though, can I? No. I just gotta give you pets.
He's mad he wasn't greeted properly.
That'll make you happy.
Not everyone at the farm gets along, especially not these two. The farm dog is learning how to herd from the chicken. At this point, you just have to quit.
Oh boy. Whoa!
This horse yeet his last haw for that day.
Yo, hey. Hey. You're gonna stay right there. You're good.
It takes almost nothing to set off a rooster.
Oh my god! Hey! Hey! No.
The cow definitely thought it through. This chicken is always stirring up trouble at the farm. Cows think they're a lot more agile than they really are.
The pipe out a gate. Couldn't get no water through my valve. What are you doing?
Plumbers come in all shapes and sizes.
Have caused me a lot of grief this morning.
With cows, you never know what you're gonna get. In this economy? They're gonna need even more backup. Don't click off yet. If you love our videos, subscribe now and hit that bell. And wait, there's more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one that grabbed your interest and enjoy. See you there.